Hey everyone, so today we are diving into key aspect of UI/UX, which is grids. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make use of grids to make sure everything looks sharp and well aligned. Grids are backbone of great designs. They provide structure and consistency. They ensure that your layouts remain organized and your elements are evenly improving both aesthetics and user experience. So let's jump into Figma.
Okay, so with the frame selected, I will navigate to the right and properties panel to pick a layout grid. So I will add layout grid, like a new grid. Okay, then I will change the default grid. This is a default grid. For every grid you want to start with, this is how it's going to come out. So I can change it down here, like layout grid settings. So I'll click it. So I want to change it to columns. I'll pick columns. Okay. Then in the column count, I will set it to 12. You can see 5. So I will set it to 12. Okay. Then so stretch just means it will stretch to the whole frame. So you can see how as I'm changing the options there is moving. So I'm going with stretch. Okay. So in the column counts, I already set it to 12, and then this is the standard grid setup for most websites, providing enough flexibility for arranging content. Okay, so this is set to 12 columns, so I can easily organize content like text, images, and buttons in a balanced way. So I'll adjust the gutter width, and this is the spacing between the columns. This is what they call gutter. It's the space between the columns. And a common setting is between 20 to 32. So I'll change this to 24. You can see that there is a change in between the columns. There's a slight change. Okay, so go on to, so you can change it to whatever you want, either like from 20 to 24, depending on your design needs. Okay, okay. Okay, so I will change my margin. So for websites, margins are typically 80 to 120 pixels. On larger screens in order to ensure the content is well centered and doesn't touch the edges. So I'll be going with 120. Okay. So this keeps the content in the center and leaves enough white space. So now that our column is 12 grid, we've set our column, like our grid is in space, is in place. So we can start designing, like placing elements like text, buttons, and image within columns to maintain alignment. So you start placing from here and it will end here.
So that is it for today. Great, simple, powerful tool to ensure that your designs look structured and clean. So if you find this helpful, Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Figma tips. See you in the next video.